All right, so I'm stopping by a house. We are starting tomorrow. Project from about 3 months ago. Tree guys got in for us. They took everything out. Property's been cleaned out of all the existing vegetation we need to get rid of. And we're gonna work on re-landscaping, doing landscape lighting, doing a regular Bluestone patio, and getting this place up and running. Hey, and like that, you know what we got? We got a delivery. We got lots of plants. Big known magnolias, hollies, inkberries, skip laurels, variety, hydrangeas, astobe, lots of plants. Site one's here delivering. All right, so we have made a good amount of progress. The beds are all cleaned out. Everything's out of the space. We've got a pile of debris. The back of the truck is filled. The bed's all up in here, all cleaned up and set. We're gonna get everything cleaned up and we're gonna make our way out of here for the weekend. But things have come along. The front bed is nice and clean. That's gonna be the home roughly for the magnolia. The other stuff is gonna go down that side, which is all laid out. And that's gonna be our Bluestone patio material. Hey Chris, so we want a separate price, possibly for taking this whole grouping that's coming down the side here out. I don't know if you want to come take a look at it. You know, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more on their property. There's a bunch on there. So I don't know if you want to come and look at it to give a price for those 5 separately, and then for the rest of them there separately that are on the neighbor's side, because the ones in the backyard, the client who did the work for me is looking at taking those 6 out, and then these, which fall on both of their properties, they would probably look to do together. But then there's also all these that they might do. All right, just let me know. And the address is 159 Kensett Road, Manhasset. 159 Kensett Road, Manhasset. Thanks. All right, so end of a week. Guys have worked hard. It is hot. And you see all that? No rain again. They talked for rain, but we're finishing up. Front yard's cleaned up. Plants are laid out on the side over there. Magnolias laid out. Beds are all cleaned up. A little bit to do over there. The guys are gonna go get everything dropped off, thrown away. The backyard, we got half of it laid out. We're prepped. It's a hot, humid one. We are back in Manhasset. We are working on landscaping this property. So at the moment, we got the beds in the front pretty much cleaned out. We've got this small area. I am laying out for the front bed here. Ricardo's getting that area tweaked up for me. Then he's gonna get this all cleaned out, and we're gonna get this area laid out and clean. And it's hot, and it's sweaty, and it's just 10 o'clock in. And like that, our big hollies are here. Our dump truck is here with the sod cutter. We've got to unload these 7 big hollies, or actually 6 we have coming. We got 7 small ones going back. Tony's back, and we got to take these off and unload them up there.